So today we've got a quick build which we're doing because my Spider-Man suit is not here in time for Comic-Con, and Comic-Con's this weekend, so the Joe's Pizza backpack was going to be my backpack to wear to put my things in and to just basically keep everything nice and safe, but I can't do that with the costume I'm going to wear because I'm going to borrow my buddy's Iron Spider, and you know, it could have like it as a little callback, but I want to keep that just for my Raimi Spider-Man, and this is something I was going to have to make for my buddy anyway, so doing it today. This is a Webpack, so it's a really simple build. We should be able to get it all done today. So in the comics, it's not really shown in the movies, Spider-Man keeps his belongings in like a little web ball he makes and like would stick it to a tree on the side of the building. So this is going to be a backpack. We're just making it look like a big old web ball. So you've still got a backpack, but it's kind of in keeping with the character, so you don't have to have an actual backpack and keep taking it on and putting it on for photos. So taking it off and putting it, I don't know what I'm talking about now, but anyway. So to start off with, you're going to need the basic shape for that, which is a bowl. Ideally you want a white bowl. Couldn't find a white bowl. For some reason, people are like, no, we're not doing card bowls, you just get a see-through bowl. So, easy way I'm going to fix this, because it's plastic, I'm going to sand the inside and then I'm going to spray the inside. And on the outside of the bowl, you're actually going to stick other stuff to it. So if I can avoid sticking it to paint, I will, because that means that it could peel off and just ruin the whole look of the Webpack. So we're going to start off with spraying the inside of the bowl. So I'm going to sand it down and spray it with a white plastic primer. Okay, so the inside of the bowl has been sprayed. I have roughened up the outside edge a little bit as well. The next step is actually going to be wrapping it with a load of string. I've seen people do it with PVA glue, but it's not going to stick that well to the bowl. I want to make sure it sticks. So I've got some 5-minute epoxy. Pretty reliable. This stuff sticks a lot of things together, and I've used it to stick just sheets of plastic together before for big builds. So this should work well. I'm literally just going to mix up a little bit, roughly put it on, and then just start wrapping the twine around. I won't do a huge amount because it won't take too long for it to set. Alright, now this layer is getting nice and glued down. I am going to PVA over the top of this one so that the next strand of string will be able to stick to this string, and also just start strengthening it up a bit more as well, without getting myself covered in glue. Got our string on now, and just to cover some of the bits we've missed and to give it a little bit more texture, we're going to be going over it with a load of hot glue before we do the final bit of paint on that. So to make the backpack straps, I just got a couple of lengths of string. I'm just going to plait them together so they're nice and strong, because string by itself isn't that strong. And we're going to go over it with hot glue and glue it straight to the backpack. So I've just cut up a bit of a t-shirt and added that in the back as well, just on the back of this bit, so it's solid now, and cut out the rest of the string and glued a bit here so you can put stuff in there and it's not going to come out. It's nice and safe. So now what we got to do is stick on these straps, so I'm just going to hot glue them in place, and what we're going to do then is spray it white just so everything's a nice even colour, and maybe go over it again with a little bit more hot glue, and then this will be done. And there you have it, one finished Webpack. Now it's time to test this out at Comic-Con. That was a success. This was super useful to have because on the Sunday of Comic-Con it was just me and Matt, and Mysterio doesn't have any pockets on the costume and Spider-Man definitely doesn't have any pockets, so this makes it kind of in-universe and everything stayed in it, nothing came out, and we actually got a lot in there. So 2 phones, money, car keys, spare batteries, spare smoke stuff, put all the Togs business cards in there that we got throughout the day, and actually got a few compliments on this as well. Just people said it just looked really cool, so there you go, a real simple, quick backpack tutorial, and it works really well. It's actually comfortable to wear, and with the open top I could also just reach in and grab my phone without having to constantly take the backpack off, so I could take snippets, pictures throughout the day. So that was also really useful. So there you go, one Spider-Man Webpack. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Hopefully the next video that will be out will be part 1 of the Republic Commando build. We've had a couple of setbacks, but it's okay, gonna get through it. So as always, thanks has got to go out to my supporters on Patreon, especially to Jeff Kenny, who has pledged to have his name shouted out on my videos, and thanks to all you guys for constantly watching and supporting the channel. So I'll see you in the next video, take care, and as always, may the Force be with you.